Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
Mine's Andrew.
Today we're going to scratch in my account KidDadCode123, and this is the project I made called Q Platformer. That's my first platformer because it's my first made platformer. Let's try it. Welcome to Q Platformer. Watch out for spikes, they can hurt you. Oh man, touch the spikes. And 2 spikes. Spikes. Okay, now let's see the code. So first is the player. When right arrow key pressed, change X by 10. So like move forward. And left arrows just change X by -10. And when up arrow key press, repeat 7 times, change Y by 15. Repeat 7 times, change Y by -15. Because you need a jump, then go down. But if we don't have this, it will just jump. It would stay there. Oh no! There is, when green flag clicks, switch costume to costume 1. There's 2 costumes. One of them are flat, one of them are like usual, like right now. So there will be a lot of codes on the when green flag click. Go to X -193, Y -5, so it's like where the starting point is. Then forever, if touching color green, which is the grass, change your Y by 10 because you don't want it to like sink down. Whee! If touching color red, then broadcast restart. So there's this, spikes and the lavas. If touching yellow, which is the jump, the color of the jump, repeat 7 times. Change Y by 20 and change Y by -20. So it will jump higher. That's why it's called jump. And there is, if touching color blue, change Y by 10. It will be in the end in the follow. And there's the green flag click forever. If upward arrow and key right arrow pressed, repeat 3 times. Change Y by 15, change X by 15. Repeat 3 times. Change Y by -15 and change X by 15. I need this code because if you just press the up arrow and the right arrow, it will maybe do first up arrow, like jump, then go right when it reaches the ground because one of them you pressed first. So it's the same for the if up arrow and left arrow, except the change X will be -15. When I receive next, go to -193, Y -5, which is the starting position. When I receive restart, go to X -193, Y -5. Just same like the when I receive next. When down arrow pressed, it will switch costume to costume 2, wait 0.5 seconds, and switch costume to costume 1. So it's like, do. And there's the follow, fave, and love. I got the costume from another person project, but the code I code. So when green flag click, go to X36, Y28, somewhere over here. Hide forever. Pick random 5 to 10 seconds. It will show, then glide 1 second to X36, Y -10, hide, and go to X36, Y28. So it will like come down, like say, follow, love, fave, and follow. And there's the spikes and lavas. When green flag clicked, go to X36, Y28. Switch costume to level 1. When I receive next costume. So there's a lot of costumes due to what level it is. So level 1 doesn't have any danger, which is spike and lava. Level 2 have 1 spike, and because the code, it will, when it's received next, it will next costume. So after you touch the star, you will go to the next level. There's the star. When green flag click forever, if touching player, which is the Q, broadcast next, wait 2 seconds. So broadcast next, so if the player is touching the star, it will broadcast next, so you will do the next level. When green flag click, go to X 217, Y negative 72. Forever. Next costume. Wait 0.1 second. So I got the costume, this costume from the Scratch library, and I keep doing it for 5 times, and then I change the position, and there's a backdrop. The backdrop will say the word and the background color and the ground. The code is when I receive Nick's backdrop. When green flag clicks switch backdrop to backdrop 1 and forever place down Super Mario Bros., which is a Super Mario Bros. Theme song. Now let's play. I will go first. Uh-oh, there's a spike. No. No, not spikes. Yay, that's a big spike. Yellow. Yay. Lava again and again.
That's a bunch of
Okay, Andrew's turn.
girl.
2 spikes. Aww. You need right timing on this, or else you will touch the other spike. Yeah, that's a big spike. Touch the yellow. Jump. Yeah, lava!
Cute.
Lava again and again.
Yay!
Welcome to Cube Platformer! Watch out for spikes, they can hurt you. Well, yeah. 2 spikes. Well, not so spiky. That's a big spike. Whoa. Yay. Lava! Yay. Lava again and again. Love, fave, and follow. Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.